Just pause. Pause. Let me record this. Let me record so you continue.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Can continue.
Okay. So, and we've checked these pages before, and the correction you said I should make. Already have an account, sign in. Don't have an account, sign up. Okay. So create an account. Then here is the home page. So um on the home page, it has the shipment history. So, and this green shows the symbol of the shipping was successful. Then this cancel. Then this pending, and this failed. I wanted to change this to the colors, but then I think I forgot that. Then after this is the shipment history, the past shipment history the person have made. Then here, find the rider. Then it takes you to this page. Um, then top riders near you. So you click on any one of them. Then it takes you to this page. Getting to know the dispatcher's details. Then you send package. After send a package, brings you here. Your rider is coming. So while your rider is coming, what are you sending? You pick the categories. So I don't know if I initiated this way, but you're the one that said you should do it like this yesterday. But I don't know. I didn't see the video again. I wanted to go back to it, but I didn't see it. So I just what you said, I just used my head. Then sorry, I was supposed to change this name here, but I think I forgot. So this is food, probably groceries, drugs, or this is maybe add orders. I don't know. Maybe there's another thing you want to send apart from this. So the current location, destination, package description, the site, then make payment. So making payment takes you to this page, this screen. So proceed. So this is where I was when I realized time has gone. So that's it, sir. I'm sorry, this place is supposed to take me to tracking details. I wanted to re-edit this. So I wanted to just re-edit it, but time is not permitting. So that is it, sir. Can anyone
Okay.
hear me?
We can hear you. I didn't get the flow well. Just walk me through. I guess your network bridged the communication. Just walk us through the home screen again. So just get what's happening.
Okay.
Sorry
So
to
this is
take
the
you back.
no problem, sir. So this is the home screen, and then here your location. This is your profile picture. This location icon that shows your current location where you are. So then this is search search for rider. This is this is the categories here. Probably you can search for rider, send parcel, track shipments, make payments. So um this categories here actually it is a link to another page. This has its own page. This has its own page. This has its own page, and this has its own page, its own screen. I mean, so but before then, there is a shipment history of your past um of the past shipments you've done. So past shipments or past shipping you've done, okay. So the packages you sent across. So and one of them delivered, the other was cancelled. Probably during the process of ordering, you mistakenly um click on the wrong button, or you were not focused on what you were doing. So it's like probably the process was not complete, so it was cancelled, or you changed your mind. So that's where the cancel comes in. They're pending order, probably maybe network, or you know then this failed order that was unable to be sent, that didn't go through. So now back to this find rider. When you click on this find rider, it takes you to this screen, and this screen, it shows you the top riders near you. Then below, when you click on it, you can check riders details. So when you click here, it takes you here. Can you hear me? Can
Yeah,
anyone?
so I wanted to ask, right? Can we can you hear me?
Yeah.
So at that point of that home screen, scroll to that home screen. At that point of make payment, what do you intend to put there?
What do I intend to put here? I don't understand, sir.
Yeah. That make payment button. Let's say I click on that make payment. Where will it take me to?
Yeah.
It should take me to where?
Yes, sir.
So how will it just fly me? Let's say I'm a new user, I just signed in and I saw make payments. Right? If I see make payments, it will not fly me to this place that I've not ordered anybody. I've not ordered for any ride. Hmm?
Okay.
Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So you have to think around that. Let's say you want to house maybe people that ordered for a ride and something happened. They couldn't make payments. People ordered for a ride. They couldn't complete the checkout process, right? You could have something like carts. You could have like an icon like carts where you see
Sorry.
pending. Hmm?
Okay. Sorry. Can you come again, sir?
You know when you go to e-commerce to buy products, right?
Yeah.
Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
When you go to e-commerce to buy products and maybe you close the once you add to cart, maybe you close your website, you didn't pay, right? So they will prompt you, they will show you where cart is. That's where your products are, just like the real life carts. When you're shopping in the mall, then the way you carry your cart to shop, that's the same way you will see it, that those products are still inside your cart. You've not paid at the counter. You get me?
Mm, okay.
So you should find a way, maybe if you want to include this make payments, you should find a way to incorporate it, that those people that maybe they've booked for a rider and
Mm,
they've not checked out, this is where they will appear. So once they click there, they will make payment and the ride is fully booked, stuff like that. If you still don't want to incorporate that, you could find a way to play around it. You can just ignore it. But if it's something you want to house, then you should find a nice way to put it in.
okay.
If it's something you want to display, you should find a nice way to put it to display that. But if you just want to ignore it and leave it that way and do your own way, like, right, create your own flow that you know that works, that's fine. You're the designer, you know best. I'm sure
Okay,
you
sir.
get me.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So I look for, but sir, after now, I think you just briefly put me through like a rough sketch. of how I, because I really can't think right now. You just help me through the making of payments. So probably
Come
how it
again, I
should.
didn't get you.
I said you put me through like just a rough sketch,
On
this making of payments, like how I could go about it. Then from there, I could just pick it up from there. Maybe after now. Mm.
I'm really not getting what you're saying, no.
I said, you said I should look for a way to um this make payments. I should um make it flow so that the user could um oh, I don't know how to put it off, so that the user could use it properly, or probably when they try making payments and, or sorry, when they try selecting what they want to buy or what they want to, or when they are done with whatsoever they are doing, then they are unable to
You know
make
what?
payment.
Just take that out of your mind now. Just do the main flow for now. Do the main flow. Later we'll start considering those things.
Okay, okay, sir.
All
So
right.
find right there. So when you click here, it takes you to the page. Find right there. Then you click on any of them, then it takes you to this place. So while the rider is on its way, you put your package description, the size, the destination, uh, uh, the you pick categories of what you want to send. Ah, the more I'm explaining these things, the more I'm seeing error. Okay, so make payments, then this is the of payments, making payment screen. This is screen, the payment details. Then proceed. Probably that is when you get your tracking details. And so that's it. I'm done, sir. Can anyone hear me? Yeah, we can.
Eddie, can you hear favor? Because I'm not getting out from my own end.
I'm hearing her. I'm hearing her.
So I said I'm done, sir.
Uh, whether could we hear her? That's the last statement she said.
Oh, serious? You didn't hear me since?
No, I've been hearing what you've been explaining. I've been hearing everything you've been saying.
Okay. Okay, sir.
What did you say?
I'm done, sir.
Whoa. To be frank, I didn't get anything you said. I guess network was just kicking us out. Whoa.
So, but maybe you should briefly summarize what you just said so that he will get you. I'm sure network is affecting
But
his
favor,
own
did,
end.
did you get ID?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, guess I'm the cause then. Hmm.
Okay, so sir, where um where was the last, like, what did you hear
Yeah,
last,
I
sir?
got I got the homepage. I got the homepage, right? This send parcel place, so you find a way to do it, or you can make it a slider, like I showed you guys yesterday, right? Make it a slider. So it's a mobile screen. Filling your screen this way doesn't look nice on mobile. So just make it a slider that you can slide it, horizontal slider that you could slide it.
Something like this, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
like
Then it should be of this shape.
see that thing you did on the page that has a delivery image. Can you see that page?
Yeah.
Where? No, not there. You're pointing. Not there. Slide down. Yeah, the purple image. I guess it's find category. Select category. I guess that thing you did there. That thing you did there. That select category. That's what you should add to that home page. So someone can just slide to see other menus.
Okay.
Yeah. And that make payment definitely is going out. Definitely going out. Was that auto layout?
Yeah.
Is that?
Yes, sir.
It's okay.
Auto layout.
That's good.
This one is
That's that's good.
auto
Someone
scatter.
is trying out since. Hmm?
Auto this one is auto scatter.
It's actually nice. You're trying
I'm
it
just
out yourself. It's not bad.
yeah, so
Yeah, that's cool.
okay, so I'll
It's equally nice that you added the history. It's not bad. That's okay. So just make it nicer. Make it nicer. That's just it. Finish. Finito.
okay, so like this other page is okay.
You know what you did here, right? What you are doing now is, if you're kind of making this, go to that homepage. Let me see. So what's happening here now is, okay, send parcel, send what? The other last one is what? I can't see that. Can you zoom in a bit? Okay, cool. Track shipment, send parcel, find rider. Nah. I didn't see that. I thought it was something else. Right. This track shipment, right, should be at the menu, at the bottom menu. You should have a menu there. Slide up, let me see. This is a mobile app. So definitely there should be a menu, there should be a stopper. There should be a stopper at that point.
So I don't understand though. Please can you share your screen?
Let me check if I could demonstrate what I'm trying to say.
I think that's better. Thanks, sir.
Mhm. Share screen to Figma. Figma, do I have Figma opened up here? Okay. I just wanna be the Uzamandia. Uzamandia. Uzamandia.
I can't see your screen.
Hypocrisy. Yeah, I'm coming. Give me a sec. You know the rule easy. Kush, 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 kush. Our God is an awesome God. Awesome God. So what are we talking about?
Shipment tracking that you want to drop where it will be located.
It's all right. So as a mobile app, sure my screen is showing now.
No, not yet.
Why? Network, can you tell me why?
It's showing now.
Network, can you tell us why? Okay. Let's say this is my screen, right? And you know the content you have. Let's say this rectangle is the content you have on that screen, right? So this is the content you have on that screen. See that we are designing on 14 Pro Max. You see where 14 Pro Max ends? It ends here. 14 Pro Max ends at this point, this ruler. Sure you can see my ruler.
Yes.
So this is where it ends. And maybe something happened that you want to extend this, the height. You could extend the height knowing that okay, this is where 14 Pro Max ends. This is where it ends. Now this is where you add bottom nav bar, navigation bar, bottom. So this is where you now put icons. You always see these things in your mobile apps. It's not new. I'm not inventing them just now. It's been there. It's been there. This could be your navigation bar. Let's turn this guy to black. So let's say this guy is a navigation bar, right? Just extend this a bit. So you see what happens is this is when I will show you what will happen when I play this. Let me take this to height. So now this is a screen. Let's say this long thing is your content. This red stuff is your content. Now see what happens when I play this screen on 14 or 15 Pro Max. When I play this, you will find out that oh, network has their way of. There are service providers, they have their way of messing things up. Oh, pardon them. So can you just Can you just allow us finish this? Yeah, thank you. Mhm. Now big, be like coming in high. Ooh, coming in high. Sorry guys, I don't know why this is still loading. But what should have happened is when you load this, right? You see that navigation, this particular navigation stays at the bottom. So whatever that is scrolling, you fix this navigation. Whatever that is scrolling scrolls under this navigation. You understand me?
No.
Oh. What I'm
No.
talking about is if you pick up your phone, open any mobile app, you find out that had it been network allowed, those could have been better. If you pick up your phone and open and launch any app, you find out that that particular after you open that app, any app you open, right, you see that you will see a navigation at the bottom. Apps make use of bottom navigation mostly. Navigation icons will be on the bottom on apps, but if it's on mobile version of websites, they mostly use the top. You guys see that every day now, don't you?
Yeah, but I'm
Yes.
still not. It's.
Is
I
that?
don't know how to put it. I say I did see it, but I'm just trying to wonder, like I'm trying to position it with this. That's what I'm trying to do. Is it not what you meant by navigation icon? Is it not those ones that they will say home, all those other this thing and draw their icons and the name underneath? Or is it
Yeah,
something different?
yes, that is it. That is it. So what you would have done for yourself, right, is you end the screen you are designing for with that navigation, that bottom navigation, right? Like I did here. You see this black place. This is where I ended it with this navigation. This is the where the icons fall. So that icon of checking order history, tracking orders, right? Tracking orders, tracking package, all those stuff should fall under navigation icons. Home, maybe track orders, rest of it, all of them should fall here.
Why
So this
use this?
is that.
I say why I'm a bit confused is what I did for my home page. I just used the home
Mm,
page like navigation, like the way favors page is now, that you see the box they will write profile, the box they will write send parcel, the box they will write track shipment. That's what I did. So it's not, that's why I'm a bit wondering whether it's in that same home page or maybe in subsequent pages that you at the bottom they would not be writing all those, as in you will not be putting all those icons.
the home page is like the main page, right? Favor, the home page is like the main page. So that home page now is having a link. The homepage is like the mother, right? The mother of all other pages. So it's from that mother that you will now link to other children. Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Just
I
like
get.
that's the,
But
so what.
my own question is that I did mine navigation way, the way Favor did hers, in terms of the way those box are. Like I didn't do it putting it at the bottom of the phone, like the way you get those explore, home, and all those. I didn't do it. I wanted to do it at subsequent frames, but on that home page, that welcome to this thing also, I just did everything in that angle. If you want to click on your profile page, the way Favor has those boxes, those square boxes of send parcel, track shipment, that's how I did mine in the, so I have to now, we have to change what you're saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You have to make it look nicer. You have to make it look
Okay.
nicer. Let's say you're having just those boxes, right? How will I navigate to other screens? Must I start a process to navigate to profile? Must I start a process to navigate to
No,
track
that
my order? Right?
my own is all those things has already been placed there. It's just okay if you are
Okay.
in the step of tracking your order. All you just need to do on that welcome page, on that box of track shipment, you just click on it. It will take you to there. Then on profile, if you want to check on your profile, you just click on the box and it will take you to profile. If you want to do payment, you just click on the box. It will, or you've not completed before going out, you enter into the app again, and you just, all you need to do is just click on the box of the payment. It will take you to payment. That was what I was thinking, that instead of I was not filling in other pages, maybe under that payment page. Now you want to, from payment page, to go back to maybe home page or go to any other page. Those are now, maybe that's where this navigation, bottom navigation will now come up. That's what I was thinking.
So have you seen any app that is doing it this way you're suggesting?
No, no, I've not. I'm just doing it from my head, actually.
So don't get super creative, right? Get creative. Don't get super creative. So use, even if you are getting creative, right? Create things that users will find easy to use, right? People have been using, they've been using related apps like yours, right? So why do you want to change the whole experience? Right? People have been using apps, people have been making orders, people have been tracking their orders. So if you go to e-commerce sites, after making your order, definitely you'll be looking for an icon that shows track order, right? You'll not be looking for a box that has track order. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
you build with what people are familiar with already.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay, I wanted to ask. So you mean those boxes that is on the home page, that's make payment, ship payment, track parcel and the rest. It should rather be in a navigation bar.
Yeah, it
Is
should
that
be
what?
an
Okay? It should
icon
be
in the navigation
icon.
bar.
Oh, okay. So now the other page screens that I used and buttons. So what will I do about that? I will continue. So that means from the home page, I will continue with the navigation bar.
Yes. So
So
the only thing that could, you said?
okay, so that means the onboarding screen, the sign up page, and then the creating of account page. That should just be like button. Then from the menu, from the home page, I can now design. I can now put navigation bar, right? That
Yeah.
what you're trying. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yeah.
that means any of the navigation bar, probably the making of payments, to just take me directly to the payment screen. Then the tracking of parcel will just take me directly to the tracking screen. Is that what
You
it
don't
is, sir?
you don't need to make add a make payment screen, because you can't
Okay.
make payment when you've not clicked on get a rider or to click on deliver a package, right? So
Okay.
that page is not a standalone page. That page
Okay.
falls under another page. Do you get me?
Oh, okay. Okay. So okay.
So
So what I
screens that you keep independent, that you make stand alone, are screens that you know that users will want to access even without taking up a particular process. They just want to go to that screen. Screens like profile screen, right? Without signing, without selecting a rider, I could want to see my profile, right?
Okay.
Screens like
Yeah.
track order, without completing that, always completing that order process. I want to see the orders I've made or I've placed, right? Those are the types of screen you should keep as standalone.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay. So, sorry, sir. So, what are now your suggestions? So, what am I going to write on the navigation bar? What will now be? Okay, I really want to know what's a main page. Sorry, the home page. What should be the actual content? What it should carry?
Okay, the actual content, the key catch there, right, that we want to see is that button of get a rider, right? That's the main catch we want to see there. So you can now use search rider as maybe as both is doing their own. Open both app on your phone. Do you have both?
I no, I have Uber.
Okay, open Uber if you have Uber.
Okay. Okay. Should I share it?
Yeah, if you can share, that's cool.
Okay. Let me see if I can. Let me try.
Wow, 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 wow.
Sorry, I'm trying to join with my phone. Hold on, please.
So wow, wow.
Sir, please, I want to share my screen on my phone. I don't know.
Mute one of your mics. Mute one of your mic.
I want to share my. Hey, I need.
Mute one, reduce the volume of the one you muted. Reduce the volume to the last. Like kind of mute the mic and mute the volume too.
Okay.
Yeah. It's okay
All
now,
right.
right?
Yeah, sure. So I want to
Go.
share from my phone, but I'm not seeing where to share.
You're not seeing share on your phone.
I'm seeing notification.
Share is there now. Is at that button. Wait, let me check.
Is- Share. Okay. Allow me share, please.
Which of them? Which of them?
Unverified. Favor unverified.
Favor unverified. Okay. Try.
No. It's not happening.
It's not sharing.
Nope.
Why? What's he saying?
The icon is blunt. It's not looking active. You don't
How
have
many
permission
favors?
to share content in this meeting.
Favor. Let me give rights to the two favors I'm seeing. Then
Yes. Okay.
this one is make. Two of them are presenters now.
Just give right to the two. I don't know which is presenter.
I gave rights to
No,
two
no,
of them now.
not this. Not this one. I don't know if this is your course or I don't know. They said like
Try. If it doesn't work, you just explain what you're saying.
okay. Let me see. Not sure. Okay, so what I saw is not showing. Let
Just
me
explain
just.
now. Explain.
All right.
Just close down that menu, then open it again. Just try it.
Hold on, sir. Should close the menu. Okay. That is not showing now.
Just explain what you're seeing.
Okay. Okay, so um I saw phone navigation bar. One is home, the other one is service, the fourth one is activity, then the fourth one is account. So the page
On
itself,
once you open Uber,
yes, once you open it, Uber, then it has a search box where to, then your current location, your address, then suggestion, ride, package, reserve. That is what you want to, if it is a ride or you want to send a package, or I don't know what this reserve is. Then the next thing I saw is more ways to use Uber. I don't know. I think that's, yeah, more ways to use Uber. I think that's a short lecture on how to use Uber. Then send
oh.
package. That's all.
Do you have boats on your phone?
But I don't think I do. Let me check both. No, I don't.
Is anyone having boats? Let me check if I could share this.
Okay, I see this one.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, you can.
So you see that once you open boats, this is what you just see, right? This is just comes to your screen where you see the kind of should I say Google map showing a location and showing the drivers and stuffs like that. This is them just trying to make it interesting, right? So you can see, I guess these cars clustered could be both riders. You get, this could be their boat riders. I don't know if that's what they're trying to show. Then you see this icon, this location icon. So once you click on that location icon, it will automatically detect your location. I don't know if you
Okay.
get me,
Yeah.
right? It automatically dictates your location. Then the keyword here is where to. Where are you going to? See that they didn't even make their interface so chalked up. Everything was just simple. Where to, right? You just impute where you're going to. It's that simple. Then they added their menu this way. If you click on menu, you see payments, you see rating, right? You see promotion, my ride, expense, support, and about. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So these are the menus. So you can choose to adopt both way, or you can make your menu to appear at the bottom. This place you have where to could be where your menu will be. Then a button to book a rider could be there. Still, it's actually fine if you still want to adopt the way boats did their own. Where to, where you going to, then you impute, and it will bring out riders for you, stuffs like that. Then when you want to do boat delivery, remember we are doing delivery app now. Boats have their own delivery. I just noticed that now. I guess that's a new feature they just added. Now you look at this place, the place that has something like a courier. Can you see that? That's having like a
Yeah.
package at the right bottom extreme right, I guess.
Yeah.
Then when you click on here, you see that it will bring out destination for you. Then let's say I pick River State University as my destination, right? Then they will see that, okay, I've actually gone through that process before. Let me go back again. Let me remove the address, my pickup location. Let's say I just click on it. First thing they will bring out for me is the pickup location, right? Then you select the pickup location you want. Let's say I just randomly select Rivers or this one. Then I'll select that, hit on done. Then it will prompt me to select my location or my destination. Then I will select the destination. I'll select the destination. So to pick from that place that to the point you are going to, you see the price here, send motorbike or send car for the delivery. So you should know the type of delivery if you want to do. If it's a delivery that will be contained in a motorbike, you know how motorbike delivery is done. Then if it's a large delivery, you choose if you are picking a car for your delivery. I guess we should take out that stress. We should just adopt. I don't. What do you guys suggest? Is it we should adopt both way, or we should have a way to pay in app? That's getting the size of. Okay, we'll figure that out. You guys should just do your thing for now. When we are doing the main product, we'll put all these things in check. So you see available cars. Let's say I choose to go ahead, right? I click on this guy. See that fare 1K, wait time 10 minutes, booking fee. I guess I don't know what this booking fee is all about. Then you see the terms and conditions and the rest of it. delivery instruction. So these are the instructions. Remember to share delivery details with stakeholders. So it's given by you in person and the driver. Kiniko. Weight. Okay. Weighs under 15 kg. Okay, I guess what you are sending should weigh under 15 kg. I guess. Packed into a bus, fits easily in the vehicle and won't damage it. Does not contain prohibited items nor exceed the permitted goods value of local regulations. Okay, these are the instructions you should have in mind before using this service, I guess. Okay, continue. Let's see. Something went wrong. Why will something go wrong? You see what they are doing? It takes 6 minutes for that particular rider to meet me. If you want to continue, you could just confirm order. So if you confirm order, it will now prompt the rider that okay, a ride is available for you to deliver. Do you get?
Yes, sir.
I guess that's clear enough.
Yeah. Yes.
It's all right. So you could share your screen back. Continue.
Okay, sir. So, ah,
So you just work on that, right? Just work on that and get that done.
okay. All right, sir.
Yeah. So just find a way to make it as simple as possible. Look at boats, look at what they are doing, look at what Uber is doing, look at what other riders they are doing. So use that way to craft your own. Is that simple now?
Yes, I'll try.
Yeah. Is there any other challenge? Yeah, I'm seeing Aminat. I'm Bruce, sorry, not Aminat. Yeah, I'm Bruce. Go on.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
afternoon. Okay.
Good morning.
Sorry. Good afternoon, everyone.
Is it afternoon?
Okay.
Oh, good afternoon.
Yes, it's afternoon already. Though I join late, but I think I can still catch up with what is going on. Please, I have a question, a quick one at that. Please, I want you guys to help me with the plugins for the images. I tried to do something yesterday, but I couldn't get the right images for my design. Please, the delivery images. Please, which plugin can I use to get the appropriate one?
Get which images?
Okay, I'm throwing it to the house because since I asked
That's
you,
what
the
I'm
one,
saying. I said which images?
Is it
okay,
illustrated?
the logistics
Illustrated.
images. Yes, the one that I can use for the splash screen, the one I can use as maybe indicating a right. Those kind of images is what I'm looking for, please.
Okay, you know that you won't always have people to answer these type of questions, right?
Yes,
So just
I tried.
the way you ask this question now, right? Paste it on Google, write Figma plugins to get the images you want, right? You type it there and see what Google will tell you.
Please, sir, I did that already yesterday and I couldn't get the right one.
You didn't get anyone?
I didn't get anyone. I get some, but when I tried using the plugins, I didn't see the appropriate images I'm looking for. So that's why I decided to bring it up here. I did find it from Google yesterday, but I couldn't get it.
So I guess they could help you now, but definitely if you search well, you get every resource you're looking for is online, right? So if you have so people that have made use of images, you could share how you got yours with her. That's okay. Just for today.
Thank you very much, sir. It will repeat itself.
Good afternoon, please. I want to ask questions. Hello,
Okay.
Danny.
We are together.
Yeah, please concerning the work I was doing yesterday. Though I'm not feeling fine, so just bear with me. So I wanted to ask. So under the category, you said I should do it horizontally. So I was trying to do the auto layout, but I couldn't get it. Please, can you explain? Please, can you just open your Figma and please explain to me? I'm trying to so that the order will just be on is he on click what's it called? I'm coming. Then click content. When I off it, I think I'm sure having issue under it. Please, can you just
I did not
explain?
I did not direct you to be using auto layouts now, right? I
Yeah,
told you I will have a separate video on
okay,
auto layouts.
under
Just fix them for now. Like just fix them naturally. I'm not judging your design on that for now.
okay, but under the that category, you said we should do it horizontally. We should distribute it. You get so some will be outside. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Let me
Hello.
check if my Figma. Just hold,
You
let me try opening my Figma. Although my
okay?
the
You
bigger
have you have
system.
done. You have tried to do it. I think in our first or second class. So like will be. I think you did it like I don't know. I don't know. I've been
Just,
trying to figure it out.
yeah, I mean, just use your arrow key. Once you have your
Okay.
let's say for example those slide duplicated. Okay. So once you have it, just use your arrow key. Don't use your cursor to drag it. Don't drag it. Just use your arrow key to push it in. It can. That's how I
See
do
what
my
you
own.
want you to do at this point, right? See this
You don't
stuff.
get try to do it. Oh yeah, do like twice so that it will go outside. Yeah. Another one outside. Yeah.
If your own is going out, just click on the frame. You see clip content. If you toggle it off, it will go outside. If you toggle it on, it will go inside the content. That is, it's clipping the content that is outside.
Okay. Because okay.
Is that your
Okay.
question?
Yeah. I don't know. Try to do it on my coming.
Then auto
Trying to
layout is another is another video together. Let's generate this. Turn it. Oh, my network won't still allow me to play this, so no need for that. But
okay.
I am owing you guys a video on auto layouts. I'll make a video on auto layout to see you guys, to show you guys how it works, right? Because it's really it's a game changer in design. So it will
So
help
when I
it will
off
help
the
a lot.
clip content, it will be off. But when you
Yes,
present it,
on it.
so by the time you slide it in, so you can be able to people can be able to view it, right?
Yeah, it's that simple. But before you do that,
Oh,
you have to select the frame first. Click on the
okay.
frame, then click on clip content or uncheck clip content. Either you check clip content or you uncheck content. Then
Okay.
when we start after that video, right, I'll show you how to make that slider, like how you can make it active, that you can slide on the screen and it will work, right? I will cover that on the video I will be making for you guys. So after creating the slider, right, you make it active that you could slide on it. When you slide, the slider works. As simple as that.
Okay. Thank you.
So do you have more questions? I guess if you don't have more questions coming, we could continue with the project and meet again tomorrow for review and maybe share resources and the rest of it, right? Normally, just input your name on the attendance list before we call it a day. Can you guys hear me? Okay, just write in your name what we schedule for tomorrow. Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow. If you have any challenge that needs my attention,
Please don't go yet.
okay?
I want to ask another thing. So you were trying to tell us now that we should just use the a boat app as a
I'm
guide,
not telling you.
or we
That's
should.
the suggestion I made, right? I showed you
Okay,
how
okay,
boats
better.
displayed their
Okay,
stuff. I
okay,
showed
okay.
you how Uber. I talked about Uber, boats, and the rest of it. How they displayed their home page, how they simplified it, right? You could adopt
Okay.
that same way. Either you use a top navigation menu, right? That you could use a hamburger menu. The hamburger menu is that menu that has three lines, three white lines. That when you click on it, that is collapsible,
It
right?
will,
When you click on it,
yes,
it will either
when you click
expand
on
or
the
you can.
menu, it will take us to the profile. So from the profile, you'll be able to see other things. You can log out, you can check some things. Abi?
Their profile is
Yeah.
another thing. Like when you click on the menu, all the navigations would come out. It could be that you choose to use hamburger menu to store your menu, right? When you click on that hamburger menu, it will now bring out both orders, both track orders and the rest of it. If that is how you want to do
Um,
it, then you can still choose to use bottom
because the
navigation
bots
menu.
I have here, is like when you click on the menu under where you search location and destination. So when you click on the menu by the is it right side? I think there is a profile there, there is settings there. If you can make a payment there, because that's what I'm seeing. Do you get?
I didn't get you, sorry.
I said on the boat app, when you click on the
Yeah.
menu, that is home page. So home page, we have a menu by the right. So when you click on it, there is a profile. Inside that menu, there is a profile, there is a setting, there is a logout, and there is a payment. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Is that
Can
what
you
you are
share?
trying
Can
to
you share?
say?
Let's see what you're talking about.
No, no, no. I'm just opening it on my phone because you are saying that when you open that menu.
I showed you something. I showed you something now, right? I showed you
Okay,
how both displayed their menu, right? So
okay,
when you click on both app, the menu opens up. So that menu now is at the both the one I showed you guys, the one I'm currently using has is using hamburger menu to display their menu items.
okay,
So when you click on that hamburger menu, you see all the menu items at the left side of the app. So
okay,
I told you that some apps use bottom navigation bar to display their navigations. You see some apps, the navigations will be at the bottom, right? You've seen that a lot in apps. And at that hamburger menu, that's the two ways they mostly use to display navigations, right? So
okay.
leaving that normal way, we all know. Then you want to invent your own to use boxes, right? It might be nice, it might be okay, but use that tend to follow, right, like what they've been doing before, right? Since users have been using that, they've been using hamburger menu, they've been using button navigation, they've been using top navigation. Let's just stick to that. Are you with me?
Yes.
It's all right. So please key in your name on the chat box, so someone was talking about icons 8. Icon 8 is background remover plugin now. Icons 8 is background remover plugin. I don't know. What's your question? You didn't place any question on icons 8. Engineer Sam, I just saw a link to icons 8. I don't know.
No, no. Good afternoon. Yeah, I wasn't asking a question. I was only trying to help the lady who asked the question about plugins. I actually have a list of plugins I've been working with. You understand, on different projects. You understand. So I decided to share with her, so she could just check up the list if she needs something from me. Yeah, that was what I did.
Okay, okay. So I guess the what she was looking for was a plugin for those illustrations.
For
Those
illustrations.
illustrations. I guess that was what she was looking for.
I
So
was
if you are
looking for.
generous enough to share with her, you share with her. But
Okay.
for me, I will tell you to go and research and find yourself.
That's what it
Yeah.
takes, man. Product design.
I've showed you how to search for plugins, right? We did that, we
Okay.
demonstrated that in class. So
Yeah.
any plugin you look for, anything you think of that you imagine that it could be done in Figma, right? You look for a plugin. If a plugin can't do it, then you know that okay, for now you can't do that on Figma. It's that simple, right? Because there are some plugins you will need. You will not be asking people for plugins. That's what it has to be recurring, right? That's what will be recurring as a designer. So you find a way to get your plugins yourself. Yeah, that's that. So I
Okay,
actually
sir.
posted that. I posted the link to. I've uploaded the yesterday's class video, right? So if you watch that, you see how was it Favor and who their project, what they've done so far, right? It's really encouraging what they've done so far. I will equally encourage you guys to try out yours. Be like them, because I told them, you know how the time is short already, so just rush up this and we'll call it a day, right? Crush it up, we'll call it a day. Then we'll see how serious you guys are, right? When we see how serious you guys are, we could try building that project. We try bringing it to life. I don't know. It all depends on you guys. If you're serious enough, we'll give it a try. We'll make it to our first project. You see, there are some people that will learn UI UX for 2 years. They've not landed their first job. They don't have any job on their portfolio that they can point out and say, this is a project I built and it is live, right? But having this type of leverage that after designing, after learning UI UX, and we work on this project, get it to life, it's something that you could add to your portfolio, right? It's not, they're not getting paid for it for now, right? It's nobody's project, it's just our group project. If it works for us. If it doesn't work, we'll add it to our portfolio and forge ahead. It's that simple, right? So it depends on how serious we are. If we are serious enough, we could reach out to the management and propose that idea to them. If they buy to it, we'll go ahead with it. If they don't buy into it, we still add it to our portfolio and keep moving. So thanks for having me. Thanks for being present here today. We'll have another meeting tomorrow, same time, same station. See you
Thank you
guys
very much. Thanks
tomorrow.
for all this. Bye.
Yeah,
Thank you very much, sir. Bye.
yeah, bye.
Thanks. I favor, please check the chat box, please.